Awning Windows Dallas installation is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Awning window contractors in Dallas offer a wide range of awning window styles and designs to suit any home. Whether you're looking for custom awning windows or energy-efficient awning windows, Dallas has the awning window experts you need. For those interested in awning window replacement Dallas, there are numerous awning window companies providing top-notch awning window services. Awning window replacement Dallas services ensure that your windows are not only stylish but also energy efficient. Vinyl awning windows and aluminum awning windows are popular options due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. Awning Windows Dallas installation is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Awning Window Maintenance Dallas services can help identify and fix any issues, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Awning Window Solutions Dallas are tailored to meet the specific needs of each client, providing peace of mind and long-lasting results. Custom Awning Windows Dallas services offer personalized designs to match your home's unique style. Awning window options Dallas include wood awning windows, which provide a classic look, and energy-efficient awning windows, which help reduce energy costs. Awning window features Dallas residents love include easy operation and excellent ventilation. Awning window suppliers in Dallas provide a variety of materials and styles to choose from. Awning window prices Dallas can vary, so it's important to get awning window quotes and awning window estimates from multiple awning window companies. Awning window reviews and awning window ratings can help you find the best awning window contractors in Dallas. Awning window benefits Dallas homeowners appreciate include improved ventilation and natural light. Awning window designs Dallas experts offer can enhance your home's curb appeal and increase its value. Awning window styles Dallas residents prefer range from modern to traditional, ensuring there's an option for every taste. Awning window experts Dallas are dedicated to providing high-quality awning window services. Awning window companies Dallas Trust offer comprehensive solutions, from installation to installation and maintenance. Awning window ratings Dallas customers provide reflect the satisfaction and quality of service received. Energy-efficient awning windows Dallas residents choose help reduce energy bills and improve comfort. Awning window features Dallas homeowners enjoy include weather resistance and noise reduction. Awning window solutions Dallas professionals provide are designed to meet the specific needs of each client, ensuring satisfaction and long-term performance. Awning window estimates Dallas companies provide can help you budget for your project. Awning window quotes Dallas experts offer are competitive and transparent, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Awning window reviews Dallas customers leave can guide you in selecting the right awning window contractors for your needs. Awning Windows Dallas installation is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning window styles available, residents can select from energy-efficient awning windows, vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, and wood awning windows to suit their specific needs. Awning window companies Dallas offer comprehensive awning window services, including installation, and replacement, ensuring that every customer receives the best awning window solutions tailored to their Awning Windows Dallas provide a unique opportunity for homeowners to personalize their window designs. Awning Window Contractors Dallas specialize in creating custom awning window options that match the architectural style of any home. These custom designs not only enhance the visual appeal but also improve the overall energy efficiency of the property. Awning window experts Dallas are skilled in crafting bespoke solutions that meet the specific requirements of each client. Energy-efficient awning windows Dallas are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce their energy bills. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Awning window suppliers Dallas offer a range of energy-efficient options, including vinyl awning windows and aluminum awning windows, which are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. By choosing energy-efficient awning windows, Dallas residents can enjoy long-term savings and increased comfort. Awning Windows Dallas installation is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Over time, wear and tear can lead to issues such as drafts, leaks, and difficulty in opening or closing the windows. Awning Window Maintenance Services Dallas are available to address these problems promptly, ensuring that your windows remain in optimal condition. Regular maintenance can extend the lifespan of your awning windows and prevent costly replacements. Awning Window Replacement Dallas is a straightforward process with the help of experienced awning window contractors. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient awning windows or replacing damaged ones, the right awning window companies Dallas can provide expert guidance and high-quality products. Awning window replacement not only improves the appearance of your home but also enhances its energy efficiency and security. Awning window prices Dallas vary depending on the materials, design, and features chosen. Awning window quotes and estimates are readily available from local suppliers and contractors, allowing homeowners to compare options and make informed decisions. Awning window reviews and ratings can also provide valuable insights into the quality and performance of different products and services, helping you select the best awning window solutions for your home. Awning Window Designs Dallas offer a wide range of styles and features to suit any home. From traditional wood awning windows to modern aluminum awning windows, there are options to complement every architectural style. Awning window features such as easy operation, weather resistance, and enhanced security make them a popular choice among Dallas homeowners. By exploring the various awning window styles and options, you can find the perfect fit for your home.